Right, what's going on everyone? Gonna do another video, and this is gonna be going over the week that I've just done, trading wise. I'm gonna put the week's results in here. So the last 7 days results, you can see that on the screenshot it says last 7 days. So yeah, 3 trades, 3 wins. And yeah, if I just go on to the screen record now, let's have a look. Screen recording, record. So as you can see, now screen recording. So this is a position that I am actually currently looking to take. I have an order set. Probably won't be triggered today, potentially Monday next week. This is a swing trade on pound Swiss. So we can see here, we're up at the extremes. We've had this big run up. We've taken out this liquidity here to the left. I have to bring my drawing tool up. So we've had this liquidity here swept. We're coming up into the extremes. All my confluences are there to take it from this point here. We just had NFP, not much happened, just this one candle here. And my order is set just above this 4-hour candle here at these point of interest that I have. Stop, covered, and then we're targeting equal lows down there. But that one hasn't been taken, so we're not going to talk about that now. We will go through the third trade that I took, which was yesterday, and it was on pound dollar. So this was a counter trend play, and I managed to bank 1R from it. My target was 3, but using a trailing stop, I was taken out at 1. So this is the analysis for that position. Just going to run through it quickly. So I had this descending wedge that I was looking to fill. We can see we got this big move down, fake out of the pattern, and also I had this this level to the left here marked up as the liquidity I wanted to see taken before looking for longs. Okay, so that's the 4-hour. Go down to the entry time frame, which is the 5-minute, but we'll start on the 15. So I enter trades on either the 15, mainly the 15, or the 5. Right, where was I? Sorry. Duty calls as a father, so I had to go help my partner and my son. Anyway, I think I was saying I enter on the 15 and the 5-minute time frame, depending on which time frame gives me the entry and what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for that displacement breaker structure, leaving that imbalance in price, and then price to come back down into the optimal trade entry area, the fib level, and then we play from there. So on this pound dollar trade yesterday, I knew we were very bearish, right? You can see that on the charts here. So very, very, very bearish, but we pushed down quite a lot, so I was anticipating a pullback. Now with the pullbacks, I'm more aggressive and quicker to go break even, quicker to remove risk and bank profit. Okay, so my original target was 3R here. So we had this breaker structure here to the left, price break structure here quite aggressively, and I was just playing price coming back into this area of support and resistance for 3%. With my testing, this works out majority of the time. If not, I bank 1-2% instead of 3, which is good. So going down to the 5-minute time frame now. This is where I got all my confirmations for the entry. So we had the breaker structure here. We had the pullback with a pattern, perfect. Entry at the fib level and target up there. So with the management, once price pushed up to here, stop was removed by 50%. So let's use this as my stop. Stop was moved here, so reduced risk by 50%. We pulled back a bit more. As soon as price broke the high again, risk was removed. When we came up to here, we were running 2%, 2.2, and target's only 3. And once again, it's a pullback play, so a bit more aggressive on the management. So once we closed above here, my stop was rolled to 1R, which is about here. And yeah, price then came down, tagged me out, went sideways for a bit, and dumped with NFP today. So yeah, that's the week trades. Good trade, that one, I would say. Good trade, good management, followed the plan, nothing went wrong psychology wise and management wise, interfering with the trade as a human. So that was a good trade. My other trades were, one was good, one was bad on the management side. Coming out too early on the scaling position. So yeah, bit of work to do tonight and tomorrow on the journaling, making sure that doesn't happen again, making sure my mindset is better when coming into the markets and not trying to bank those profits so quickly, you know. So this is something that I've been struggling with for a while, to be fair, is not letting winners run as such. Like, I'll have a target wherever that be, and I'll just tell myself things in my head. Oh, but what happens if it does this? What happens if it does that? You two are in profit now, just bank it, just bank it. And I think everyone has these little voices on their shoulders. Bank the profit now, bank it now. It's there to bank it. Don't hold it for the swaps tonight. And yeah, it's quite a funny thing really, because in my head I was like, oh, I don't want to hold the scaling position because that's 2 positions holding overnight for swaps, and that's gonna be quite a big swap fee. And then I come to find out that with the position that I did hold overnight on pound Swiss, the swaps were positive. So that was a funny thing when I saw that. I thought instantly thought, oh, this is gonna be negative swaps over tonight. And instead of just thinking this is the cost of holding a position, it's just one of the things. Yes, it's a minor cost. And yeah, just need to stop sweating like the small things really, like these swap fees, and thinking, oh, this trade might not run further, so I'm going to bank now. And instead of thinking so negatively all the time, I need to just be more neutral and see both sides. So it could run more or it couldn't. We've removed risk, you followed your plan, and that's the main thing. But yeah, that's the weekly review for the start of January. So not a bad start to the year/month. 3 winners, so the next loser is right around the corner. So we have to be prepared for that and just accept it when it comes, because it's going to happen. But I'll leave you with that. Any questions, put them down below. Please be sure to subscribe and like if you liked it. And yeah, I will catch you in next week's video. If I take any trades or anything that comes up that I want to talk about, then yeah, I'll be sure to catch you then. If not, have a good weekend, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.